Alright everyone, so what we have here is the beginning of what will become our YouTube channel. We've decided that we would like to do our channel a little differently maybe than some others do it. In saying that, we've decided to have some masks made for each of us that are similar to our Dead Bunnies logo. Now, we have no experience whatsoever in making masks, so I've reached out to an online company to manufacture masks for us. I paid roughly, I think it was $180 to $185 for 3 masks, which I didn't think was a bad deal. It included shipping. This is coming from Europe, so they probably spent $50 or $60 on this box just to ship it over here. And it took roughly 4 weeks to get here. Now, I have not seen what this is going to look like. All I did was provide them with an image of what our logo was, and supposedly these are going to be similar to that. So whether it's good, bad, ugly, we're going to experience this together and see what we think. Moving forward, when you see us in the videos, hopefully we will be using the masks as long as they are not damaged, that they're, that they're somewhat decent or close to what we had hoped for. So let's take a look at what we got. Try to find the best way to cut this open without damaging anything. Okay, so here's one. Definitely not what I had expected. Let me get the rest of these out of the box here so we can take a little closer look at this. So, unfortunately for us, this is definitely not what we had requested from the company. We had given them pretty specific instructions of what we were looking for from a finished product design, and all they did is given us the 3D printed shell that goes inside. The outside was supposed to be covered with a final material to dress everything up, make it look better. Unfortunately, they didn't do that. So, normally I would, at least if something went well, I would recommend it and put a link in a video. However, in this case, we're not going to do that. Because I don't want to speak poorly about, the quality of others. I will say that this item came from Turkey, and there was definitely a language barrier involved. It was very hard to communicate back and forth. Whenever they would say something, if I had a question, then they would be very arrogant in their response of, oh, I said this or that, and it may be just a translation issue, I don't know. But anyhow, that whole process wasn't great, and I wasn't going to bring it up. I was wanting to see how good this turned out, but now that I see the final product here, it makes more sense. So this is, I'm not going to put a link to it in the video because I don't recommend dealing with these guys. But I guess we're going to take our shells, now that we've got these, And we're going to try to come up with a final product that's going to be more of what we want. So there may be some future videos in store where we're going to modify these to try to get it to a better look. Anyhow, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next time.